Hi friends, in this video you will learn how to silence unknown callers from WhatsApp. So let's begin the video, and if you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel for more informative videos. So let's start the video. First of all, you will simply open your WhatsApp application. So here is the main screen of your WhatsApp. So at the top corner there are three dots. You will simply tap on three dots at the corner. You will simply tap on settings. So here is the settings. So here you will go to your privacy. You will scroll down and here is the calls option. You will simply tap on calls. So here is the option of silence unknown callers. Calls from unknown numbers will be silenced. So when you will tap on this and turn it on, the calls from unknown numbers will be silenced, but you will receive only the notification of the calls from activating this privacy settings. And here is the calls option, and here is the silence unknown callers. So this is the simple process of activating the silence unknown callers option on WhatsApp. So if you like the video, please subscribe the channel for more informative videos. Thank you.